sure those flames don't get too high. They said that's the reason for these other sticks. We can move it around, we can rotate it. You're going to want to make sure your pork internal temperature is about 145 to 160, anywhere in there. I like to pull it off, let it rest for at least 3 minutes or long. Pretty simple setup though. You don't need a lot. You don't need much at all. Pocket knife, something to start your fire with. Pretty primitive.